Do you have fresh bread? Yes, we have fresh bread. How much is this milk? It is $2. Where can I find the eggs? They are in aisle 3. Do you sell apples? Yes, we sell apples. Is this cheese on sale? Yes, it is on sale today. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can pay by card. Where is the checkout? It is on the right. Do you have a shopping bag? Yes, here is a bag. Where can I find water? Water is in the back. Is this the price? Yes, this is the price. Do you have gluten? Free bread? Yes, we have it. How much are the bananas? They are $1. Can I return this later? Yes, with the receipt. Where is the dairy section? It is near the entrance. Do you have chicken? Yes, we have fresh chicken. Is this organic? Yes, it is organic. Do you have a loyalty card? Yes, here it is. Where can I find rice? Rice is in aisle 5. Is the store open now? Yes, we are open. What time do you close? We close at 10 p.m. Can I get help? Yes, I can help you. Does John need a basket? Yes, he needs a basket. Is Emma buying fruit? Yes, she is buying fruit. Do Sarah and David need bread? Yes, they need bread. Is Lisa at the bakery section? Yes, she is there. Can I have a receipt? Yes, here is your receipt. Is this the right price? Yes, it is correct. Do you deliver groceries? Yes, we deliver groceries. Can I try this juice? Sorry, you cannot try it.